In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to turn off voicemail here on your iPhone device. And do not worry, because this works on any iPhone model, whether you've got an iPhone X, 11, 12, all the way to iPhone 16. Do not worry. In my case, I've gotten here an iPhone 12, but the process is exactly the same. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel, I do cover a lot of tech content. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So first things first, before we even turn off voicemail, I wouldn't recommend you guys to directly turn it off. Like, if you simply don't want to get notified here, I just want to show you an alternate way before showing you how to turn it off, because it might be complicated to turn it back on if you want to turn it back on in the near future. So in case you just don't want to get notifications or notified about voicemail, hop into settings on your phone, and then over here we're gonna scroll down all the way to apps down here. Okay, tap on apps and then search for phone. Here we go, we've got phone. Tap on phone. Now if you're unable to reach here this screen, for example, if you've got a much older iPhone software that doesn't have the apps option down here, do not worry, simply come here to the top, and then here we've got a search bar where we're gonna search for phone. Okay, so once we search for phone, we're gonna scroll down and find the phone app. Okay, so in my case, the phone app is right here, phone app. I'm gonna tap on phone and I'll be right here. Okay, so once I'm here, the next thing we're gonna be doing is basically tapping here on notifications, and then we're gonna turn off notifications. So over here we've got allow notifications. We're gonna tap here to deactivate notifications. Do not worry, your phone will still ring every single time, but you won't be getting the voicemails here notified on your phone. And in order to get them, you'll need to actually tap here on voicemail to manually check all your voicemail inbox, right? So this is the first method that I would recommend you guys to do. Now if you really want to turn it off, you don't want to get voicemail activated on your phone anymore, what you need to do first is tap on *004 and then pound again. So you're gonna tap on call, and then you're gonna wait for a few seconds. Now this depends on your carrier. Okay, if you're in the US, this is the way to turn it off. Next up, we're gonna tap on dismiss, and this should help turning off your voicemail. Now if you've got a different carrier that has a different process, I would recommend you guys to call your carrier first and ask them to turn off your voice call. That's super easy. You just need to search for the customer care, call them, and ask them to turn it off for your specific phone number. Now, another thing that you can also do, for example, that I would recommend you guys to do, is hopping into settings, going back to apps, and then scrolling down all the way to phone. And over here, you can also turn on the call forwarding option. Okay, for example, if you have a different phone, if you have your phone left at home, you've got another one with you, you can also tap on call forwarding, and you can actually toggle this on, tap on forward to, and set up a phone that you want to actually forward all these incoming calls to the other phone. Okay, so this is also a good strategy that might help you if you don't want to have the voicemail turned on your phone. I really hope this video has helped you. If you find my content useful here on YouTube, consider subscribing, leave a comment down below, as it helps me to reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same issue as yours. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.